Hello everyone, this is Golson2004 here. Today I have a special package from the mail. It has two engines, one with a normal coupling and one with a chunky coupling. Can you tell? It's Hero with his tender. And there's Gator. First we'll take a look at Gator, who was only in like Tail the Brave in Season 18. He last appeared in the Season 18 episode, Long Lost Friend. I found it to be like, it is good, but the best episode with Gator has to be Missing Gator. That was really a great episode with Percy and Gator. He looks just perfect. He's gonna be fine for my series. Now, let's take a look at Hero, who is a special engine from Japan. Even though this Hero didn't come from Japan, I ordered this off of eBay from the United States. I'm really having a difficult time here, people, I'm sorry. Hero is a special engine, and he was the first full-on CGI character ever made. So here is Hero's tender, which looks marvelous. I can do some detailing right there. And lastly, here's the real engine of Hero. And I'll be honest, I looked at the image of this engine, and I looked at his other pricings on eBay, and I thought, he must be expensive. I don't think I'm ever going to get him. But when I saw the pricing for Hero and Gator, I immediately bought it. And there's old Hero's face. Come on out, Hero. Oh my gosh. He's almost there. Looks like this is taped on. Oh. Okay, so there's Hero. He has the nice wheels. And he's a full-on engine from Japan. Hero and Gator, welcome to the series.